Introducing the Genius Tools Oval Bearing Punch Set, a handy set of tools that can align or remove bearings with precision and ease. Made from chromium molybdenum alloy steel with an oil-quenching treatment, the Genius Tools Oval Bearing Punch Set not only features a tough and long-lasting exterior, but also boasts superior inner core strength. This set includes 4 pieces of oval bearing punches, with sizes ranging from 11 by 6 millimeters to 17 by 9 millimeters. Each punch has a tapered tip that fits snugly into the bearing hole and a knurled handle that provides a secure grip. The set also comes with a plastic tray for easy storage and organization. Rated to meet or exceed ANSI specifications, Genius Tools backs up its quality with a limited lifetime warranty, protecting you against any manufacturer defects. Genius Tools, built for pros, made for life.